Cabinet has cleared the formation of National Panel on Investments, the NIB, which is now set to be called the Cabinet Committee on Investments. And that is something that has been cleared by the Cabinet today. Remember, there were made various discussions and proposals on that front. Remember, some of them include that there will be faster clearances given. In fact, that will be a body which will be like a regulator for all the other clearances that the projects really have to go through. So taking you through the most important bits is that committee to examine the projects over 1,000 crore rupees. So that is something that all the projects which are above and at 1,000 crore rupees of worth of project, that is something that the Cabinet Committee on Investments will be examining. Now, this will be to establish the category-wise clearances and the timeline. So, therefore, there will be a set timeline for all the projects to be cleared. And in this, probably the India Inc. will be chairing this, and the infrastructure projects and manufacturing companies will also come in this. So it's not just infrastructure. Manufacturing will include a whole host of companies, a whole host of sectors. So that's an important bit to take at. The timeline is something which is, remember, very, very critical for any project to be put in. And because the clearances had been taking so much time, India Inc. had been lobbying hard for a clearer system and a faster system. So this is something that NIB or the Cabinet Committee on Investment really promises. It also gives parallel clearances from each ministry and department. That is something that they are going to look at. Final call on projects by the committee if timeline is breached by the various heads or departments. Now, this is very, very important because remember, if any of the departments do hold up the clearance for any of the projects and it exceeds the timeline, then this particular regulator or the committee can step in and really superimpose its own decision. So that's one thing that has been talked about. Of course, the final clarity will come in after Cabinet comes out with the final note. But this is the proposal that was given. Also, committee to look into the manufacturing projects as well. So as I said, apart from infrastructure projects that was looked at, it is also the manufacturing companies. So a whole host of companies and sectors really into it.